Hi, welcome to Alexander's. Today I'll be teaching you how to operate the ODM sticker and smasher. We will first start by setting up the ODM stacker. First thing is to set up the rollers. We will loosen the tension spring on the ODM. With this knob, we will twist it to have a loose gear. After loosening the spring, we will grab a T-block to keep the glue from not spilling off to the side, and we'll install it like this. The two dots will go against the bar, and the flat surface will go on the face of the roller. So we will install it by just pushing in. Now that we have set up the rollers, now we're going to install them to the ODM sticker. What we will do is place the bottom screws of the rollers into the middle two holes of the ODM sticker. Just slide them gently in. Remember, keynote, rounded face of the rollers will face away from the machine, and the gears will face towards the machine. Now that we've installed the ODM rollers, we will place these to hold it tightly and firmly onto the machine. Screw this part onto it so then the machine is stayed secured. Now that the rollers are installed, we're ready to operate. We will turn on the machine on the side. Remember keeping all these buttons facing up, and we will click and the rollers will start turning. Now we will apply glue to the rollers. We will pour some in. This is the amount of glue we want on the rollers. We will notice that the rollers will be having a feather look to it. If they don't, these knobs are meant to twist, and you will see that there will no longer be any glue on the rollers. If you twist them to the other direction, you will notice thicker coat, and if we twist them to the other direction, we will get a thinner coat, trying to go for a feathery look. This bar is set with a spring. It's set for a higher coat of glue. We only set this when needed. We will tighten this to the indicated marker on this side and leave it there, and it will leave that extra coat. Other than that, we will run the machine as regularly set with these knobs and the feather look. We are ready to run a book. We will grab our gut and open it to the middle and place it into the sword. We have a pedal to push with our leg. We will push it and this sword will go down. As you see, glue has been applied to the first page. Now we will grab our cover and pre-fold it top and bottom of the spine and push it against the black blocks. And we will place our cover all the way to the back of the plate and set the book. Now we are able to pull it out and smash. To turn on the smasher, it's a very simple process. We will first turn on the switch and turn on the heat for the clamps for the smasher. Now we will push and the smasher will stay up. The temperature on the smasher was set by the mechanics. Please do not move or adjust them. And we have a switch to set the distance of the smasher. We can go down to make it a thicker book or higher for thinner books. For the smasher to operate, you must press both of them at the same time and hold until they don't make a sound. Next to the green buttons, we have two more buttons. One is for the time and one is for emergency brake. We can press it and the machine will go down. Now that we've made our book, we will place it inside the smasher. The smasher has teeth on the bottom and top. We will place those teeth in middle of the spine, back, and front of the cover. It will look something like this. Now that we smashed the book, we're able to check it on both sides for no errors and looking for on the sides if there's any extra glue. We'll clean them off with a towel. And then we're ready to send it to packaging. Now that the day is done, operators will clean the machine. What we do is use two chipboards that are trash and clean the glue. What we will do is break one and use it as a scraper and use the other one to keep the glue on. We will scrape inwards to the machine or against the rollers to the direction they're going. After the glue is removed, we will take the rollers to the washing area. Now that we're in the cleaning area, we will grab our rollers and place them into the sink with hot water. What all operators must bring to the cleaning area should be a brush and two rags. What we do is we remove the T-blocks from the rollers before putting water, and we will wash them and scrub them with the brush. The towels are meant to wash the rollers so they don't get scratched by the brush. So we don't use the brush. We will use the towel to clean the rollers. And then the second towel is meant for drying. We will dry everything before placing it back into the area. Do not forget to wash the sink after cleaning the rollers. Clean all excess glue so the sink is clean. Now that we're done washing the rollers, we will set up the machine. And this is how to operate the ODM sticker and smasher.